There's a viewpoint in Ninh that is supposed to be absolutely breathtaking at sunrise. It sounds like the perfect place to spend Christmas morning in Vietnam.
From angels beneath the earth to touch their hearts.
After about a 2.5-hour train ride from Hanoi, I arrive in Ninh Binh where the warm-hearted homestay family prepare me a nice hot breakfast. And with a happy belly, it's now time to explore Ninh Binh. From goat pho to skewers, Ninh Binh is known for utilizing goat meat in their cuisine. I decided to try the skewers as the garlicky, smoky aroma is just too tempting to resist. They're absolutely delicious. It's finally Christmas morning, and I set out for the reason why I came to Ninh Binh. The Hang Mua Lookout. Have you ever just wanted to do something or go somewhere, but you were hesitant because of the obstacles or inconveniences? All I can say is the effort and difficulties it'll take for you to get there, those things will pale in comparison to the experience that awaits you.